this is Ananya, and today is, let's say, a continuation of the last NumPy lecture that we took. So whatever you have understood there, this is the time to test yourself, and all the best. This is just 5 questions on whatever you have learned last time. So this is basically exercise set part 1 of theory lecture part 1. All right, so let's get started. I'm just going to show you all this question. You all can obviously already see it. So basically what we'll do is take the question, pause the video, try it out by yourself, either pen or paper, just take a rough code of it, try it out, or else just code it alongside the video. All right, and next I'll show you all the answer. It's very short and simple. So here we go. First one. Create a null array of any length with the middle value as a natural number. All right, and your time starts now. Supposing that you all are done with the code, now let me show you all the answer to it. And there you go. This is basically the answer. It's pretty simple. You all can find out some other shortcuts also. So what we basically do is take in an array length and any random number. Array length is obviously known, and any random number means basically what I want to do is I want to append that natural number as the middle element. All right, now we know all this, how to find the middle element, no confusion about that. And lastly what I do is I convert the list into a NumPy array. Let's go ahead and execute that. So we have enter array length. Let me give 4. Next, let me give 34, and there you have middle element. You can make this either the second or the third element, anything as per your choice. Moving ahead, hopefully you all could do that. It's pretty simple, right? Now, next one, question number 2. Take a 1D array. The length should be greater than or equal to 11. Now, negate all the elements present between the 5th and the 7th number, including the upper and lower bounds, and your time starts now. Assuming you all are done with it, let's go ahead with the answer. And there you go. It's pretty simple. So what we do is we just take 12 numbers since we just need a minimum of 11. And what I do is inside the array, as I said, we have taken examples similar to this if you have seen my previous NumPy video. And what we do is if array, okay, if 5 is less than equal to the array and array is less than equal to 7. So basically get positions 5 to 7 and multiply them with -1. As I had mentioned, no need to take for loops for this like we had to do for lists. Go ahead and run that, and there you go. You have the negative numbers 5, 6 and 7. All right, now this is a pretty easy one, okay? This is just a 1-line code, and that's the hint I'm giving you. Create a 3x3 identity matrix. I hope you all know what identity matrix is, right? All right, go ahead with it. Now, do you see how simple this code was? All you had to do is know we have to use EYE to get an identity matrix. All right, let's run this and show it to you all. And there you go. You have an identity matrix of 3x3. All right, now this question. Okay, interesting. Given an array that pretty much looks like this, what I want you all to do is transform it so that it looks like this one. Okay. Now here's the hint. I had told you all to learn about this in the previous lecture. Now if you all have done that, you can do this also. And if you already know it, that's very good. All right. Let's go ahead and solve this one. Okay. So how many of you all used reshape? As I had mentioned previously, finding out about reshape is your task. If you did it, and if you're from my previous video, you'll know about it. And that's basically it. Just copy down the array as a NumPy one. And all you have to do is array.reshape. Number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 8. And that's it. You get the exact copy of this one. Let's go ahead and run that. And there you go. This was our old array. This is our new array. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now for the last one. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Saved it for the last. And here you go. you have the similar array that we took previously, the same one. What I need you all to do is, now it needs to look like this. Okay, you need to formulate it so that it looks like this set of array. How do you think you're going to go about that? And there you go. Remember, we were talking about indexing and slicing. Everything is pretty similar to Python lists. And again, if you all are comfortable with operating on lists, you all will know how to do that on NumPy arrays too. And this is basically it to get this output. Okay, that's all you have to do. Take rows from 2 to 6 and columns 1 to 3. And the upper bounds 6 and 3 are basically excluded. All right. Now let's run this and prove to you that yes, it does work. All right, I copied it again. Where is it? Okay, just a moment. This is supposed to go also, right? Okay, and there you go. This is your output, matches with the one that is supposed to be given, right? Okay, so that's basically it. If you need more practice, go ahead and make up your own questions, surf the net, you'll find many of them. And also, I'll be providing this notebook to you in case you want to do some trial error stuff. I'll try putting the link down below. Alright, that was it. Hope you all got it. Hope your ideas are clear. I'll see you all next time with another set of NumPy interesting learnings. Bye-bye. I'll see you all soon.